guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be this makeup look. I am actually heading out tonight in like an hour to go to my work holiday party, Christmas party, and it's going to be a little bit more on the glam side. So I wanted to do a little bit of glam with some red lips because I never ever do like red lips. It's like really rare that I do red lips. So I did want to do that this year, and I want to do this like side hair kind of deal, but I am going to have to touch up my curls just a bit because I did it earlier today. But if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep watching. So to start off, I'm going to prep my skin by moisturizing using the Kiehl's Ultra Facial Moisturizer and place that all over my face. Then I'm going to prime my eyelids using the Urban Decay concealer. Next, I'm going to prime my skin by using the Kevyn Aucoin primer. Then I'm going to set my eye base by using a shadow that matches my skin tone. Then I'm going to take MAC's Soft Brown and place it in the crease. Next, I'm taking Express and placing that on top of the first shade to deepen and define my crease. Next, brows are done. Next, I'm using the Becca Ultimate Coverage Foundation because I'm going for a glam look, so I'm needing a full coverage tonight. By the way, guys, I totally forgot to turn on my ring light. Magic has happened. Right now I'm applying the Becca foundation, and this foundation is a very thick foundation. It is full coverage. I love it because it really will last for the night. The only thing is you have to work really fast because it is such a thicker foundation that it will start to get, it will dry up fast. That's what I'm trying to say. And so I like to work pretty fast with it. I usually use a brush because I feel like it doesn't work as well with a beauty blender, just because, I don't know, it's really weird. Like a brush is able to make the application a lot smoother and it blends out really well. I just placed an order for my favorite concealer, which is this one here by Tarte. So I kind of applied a little too much concealer, but we're going to blend this out and you won't even tell that we used more than we should have. Next, I'm going to take my Chanel bronzer and I'm going to use this to define and contour my face so we get a bit of a bronzy look. Then we're going to set it all with the Laura Mercier setting powder. Next, we're going to move on to eyeliner. I do use a gel liner because liners and wing liners in general just takes so long to do. They're very tricky and time consuming. I do love using MAC's Black Track whenever I'm doing a glam look because I feel this particular type of eyeliner tends to last and it won't run or crease. It's perfect for any glam look. Next, we're going to dust away all the setting powder and move on to blush. I'm using Petal Power from MAC. Then we're taking our same crease shadow and apply it to our lower lash line to bring the look together, as well as popping some Flu from MAC in the inner corners. And then my favorite part of any glam look is lashes. I'm popping on a pair of Wispies from Ardell. These are my absolute favorite lashes. I'm just putting a little mascara to join my own lashes to the falsies. You want to bring that also to your lower lash line to really make your eyes pop. Next, I'm taking this lip liner from NYX in the shade Hot Red. I'm going to apply this all over the lips. This is going to help to keep your lipstick intact throughout the night. Then I'm using the shade 69 from Urban Decay. This was perfect to bring the look together. Alright guys, so here is the complete, oh, almost forgot one more thing. A little bit of highlighter. And this is the completed makeup look. Last thing I'm gonna do is just do a little bit of my Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. get that to lock in place and stay on all night. But overall, this is the look. Now I am going to move on to finish touching up my hair. I did curl it earlier today, but I'm going to just go in and touch it up just a tad bit more so we get a little bit more curls because they have fallen out quite a bit. But that is gonna be it for this makeup look. Hope that you guys enjoy it, and until next time, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.